Hello again, everyone. Yes, the same day, just a new video on a new topic. I don't normally do HO scale, albeit that's going to be changing because I've been accumulating HO scale stock, including these two Penn Central boxcars that I got at a train show, local train show that a guy named Jeff Stedge, I think, runs it. And it's the Albany train show. And picked them up for a couple of dollars a piece. And some of them I have a bunch of HO stuff now. It's like these box cars, tank cars, flat cars. And I picked them up at also from Facebook Marketplace as well. One of the things I realized is that a lot of them came with plastic wheels. All right, like this Penn Central boxcar had plastic wheels on it and truck mounted couplers. So what I did was I took the truck mounted coupler piece. Let me get something to point with over here for a second. And if you look over here, what I did was I cut the pocket for the truck mounted coupler and installed a body mounted Kadee coupler. And I ordered wheel sets, all right, metal wheel sets that I got from a hobby shop out in Brunswick. And I got them by the bagful. They're 33-inch wheels. And I also glued and cemented the weights that were in here so they were flopping around. So they're glued in place. And I adjusted the only thing I have left to do really is to adjust the coupler height to the coupler gauge. I did it to this Seaboard coastline. And this Penn Central boxcar, I also did it to a bunch of tank cars. And one of the things I did was I used a X-Acto knife. Now the blade had the tip broken off of it, which kind of made it ideal for me. Why? Because when you go ahead and you take you go to replace the wheel sets, you want a free rolling wheel set. So what I did was I went ahead and took the edge of the end of the X-Acto blade on the knife. It was just big enough to get into the hole, and I tilted it a little bit or canted it, so it was able to scrape out in a circular motion, make the hole for the axle point a little larger, just enough so it would not squeeze in there, but be held in there, but sitting there a little bit, just a tad bit loose, all right, so that it would roll freely, all right, and then added a couple of drops of Labelle oil, all right, for it to be lubricated, so they run very freely and they roll pretty nicely right across, and all of them do this. They all roll very nicely, very freely now, no drag, all right. So yeah, I haven't done HO in God knows how many years, and now I'm getting into it, so I have a bunch of HO collection. I have a bunch of locomotives. So anyway, so yeah, if you guys have any questions or comments, please feel free to message me, email me, whatever, all right. So yeah, I also built modules for an HO scale layout, portable HO scale layout. The modules are 24 inches wide by 2 by 4, 2 feet by 4 feet. Using buffet table legs from buffet tables that I got on Facebook Marketplace or yard sales. So this way, easy to set up, easy to stow away. Anyway, like I said, if you have any questions or anything, feel free to message me. Hope you guys are having a great weekend. Bye-bye.